ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR is also a newly released model gaming laptop that compact with premium. ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR comes equipped with a 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB GDDR6 graphics, providing a solid gaming experience and allowing you to run most modern games smoothly. It also has RAM 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz 8GB X2, 2 slot support up to 32GB, and storage 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD option, offering flexibility for multitasking and game installation. ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR design SSD is a modern with RGB backlighting on the keyboard for customization option. It comes with a display 16-inch HD plus 1610 1920 by 1200 WUXGA with a 160 Hz refresh rate. It doesn't offer the higher resolution, but it's still suitable for most gaming needs. Laptop include ASUS Hypercool technology, which combines a 3-fan cooling system, anti-dust, and intelligent fan control to keep the laptop temperature in check during demanding tasks or gaming session. ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR comes with various ports, including Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, LAN port, and headphone/microphone jacks, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and peripherals. With a 90 Wh battery for cell Li-ion, the battery life on the ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR is not exceptional. Expect around 2 to 3 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. ASUS ROG Strix G16 G614JVR is a solid choice for gamers who want reliable performance. It offers a good balance of feature and durability, making it a suitable option for both casual and mid-range gamers. This is just my opinion. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.